how to apply a promo code in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to save money on the Starbucks order, well, in this video I'll show you how to apply a promo code in the Starbucks app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders button at the bottom of the screen to start a new mobile order. And after that, you can browse the menu and add your favorite items to the cart. And once you're ready, you can just tap on the cart icon to review your order and begin the checkout. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on add promo code or apply code and enter your code exactly as it appears and then hit apply. And after that, you would see the discount applied to your total, so you can choose your payment method and tap place order. And here, if the code doesn't work, you can double check the spelling, expiration date, or the terms of the offer, because some promo codes only apply to specific items or users. And that's it. That's how easy it is to apply a promo code in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.